Hey everyone, it's Deborah and I want to show you my little boxes. These are the jelly bean trios that I purchased at Dollar Tree, and I want to show you what I made out of them. Previously, I showed you the shaker mix. This was on a different video, so let me go ahead and show you these real quick. So I made a shaker mix that I'm calling jelly beans, and here is the little boxes that I went ahead and altered and put some of that shaker mix inside of, and I added some of the flowers that I made from the Scrap Diva Designs 3D egg. See if I've got that. Yep, I do. These are the flowers I made, and then you're also going to see a bow that I made from this collection in here as well, but not in this. But anyway, here's the 3 shaker mixes. They're super cute. Love them. And I couldn't stop. Of course I couldn't. Okay. It's me. I couldn't stop. So I had mentioned on the video that I wanted to make a jelly bean bead mix. Well, here you go. I've got to glue down those little chicks. But this is some trim that I actually purchased from Dollar Tree a few years ago. And if you ever find these trim packs, I highly recommend them. But I kind of messed up on the chicks. I tried to wrap it around the corner. I should have just stayed with the 3 little images. But look at the carrots. Aren't the carrots so cute? So let's see. Oh, and the trim's coming off. I've got to glue it back down. I used hot glue, and hot glue does not work. But here's the bead mix. I just went into I have beads from the little Easter bead containers from Michaels, and I sorted those and did a little bead mix. 2 different types, the chicken and the carrots. I need to glue that back down. Okay, so those are the bead mix. And then I said I was going to do a flower mix. I just had to make more flowers. So here's the little flower mix with the carrots, and let me show you. They're both the same. So here's the little package of flowers. Look how cute. I probably could have put one more flower in there, but I didn't have any made at the time. Oh my gosh, I love these. And I'm done. I'm not buying any more of these. But yes, they're so stinking cute. But there's the flower mix, and I just had so much fun making these. These are little flowers from their Scrap Diva Designs, I believe. No, those aren't the edge flower. Let me see what those are. A fringe flower of some sort. It's got those little pokey things. I think it's this one. No. Nope, that's not it. That's sad. I can't remember which flower I used. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's this pokey one. The fringe style flower. And, you know, looking at it on the plate, I'm like, ooh, what is that going to look like? But then when I put them together and I only did 2 layers, it turned out super cute and just kind of bent the layers up, and that turned out super cute. I ended up making a bunch of those. Okay. So that was that flower. And then, oh, here's a single one. Then I did the bow mix. So I talked to you about the 3D bow that I, from that 3D egg, that first one. And then here's the bows that I made and added some flowers to some of them, and then beads in the center. So there's the bow mix. And then the last one I made is the tag mix. And I even put a little tag on the front with a little tiny flower. That flower is from, I love that little flower. Let me see if I can find it. I used so many flowers, I kind of forgot what I used. But that little flower is so cute. I don't think it's that one. Dang it. I need to remember because I'm going to use it again. Gonna have to find it. I don't know which one it was, guys. Once I find it, I'll tell, I'll do a flower video one day, just a process video. So anyway, I added a little package of the smaller tags, and then these had to go in lengthwise because they were just bigger and they wouldn't fit in that little packet. But anyway, there you go. I had so much fun making these. By the way, the hot glue would not stick on here for some reason, so I switched over to my Bearly Art glue on these to glue this, and it worked. I have fabric tech glue, but that stuff stinks, and these were all glued. This one was all glued with Bearly Art glue, so it works for sure. But the hot glue, no, not on that. I think the surface is too slick. But anyway, what do you think? This one I need to cut those little extra chickens off. Trying to wrap them around the side didn't work. But yeah, what do you think? I think they're so cute, and I had so much fun with these. All right. Oh, and I did make some more flowers. I'm working on flowers right now. Oh, I'm trying to think which flower this is. Sorry, guys. I was organized. But I don't know which flower it is, so I'll have to figure it out. But here's those. Here is this flower right here. And all you have to do if you get that flower is pull up the little layers. And I didn't, do any type of, I just pull up the layers. That's all I'm going to do on this. And it gives it dimension and makes it look, better. You can even just do like this and then go back and, pull up the layers, the inner layers more. And so then it's more cupped. Just makes it easy. Okay, but there you go on those. But here's some more of those little flowers. And I even did a single one of that one. If I can figure out which flowers I used, especially for that little small one right here, I will. I think it's from this collection right here. I just have to figure out which flower it is, and I'll put links. All right, guys, that is it. And no mini album this week. I'm having a garage sale and getting rid of a ton of craft supplies. If you're in the Fort Worth area, come by and see me. Send me a message and come by and see me. And I have cheap stuff. Anyway, you guys take care. Have a great week. Bye.